Vietnam, the Philippines, and Thailand. Swadee ka. Your girl's getting ready to be fluent, okay? No, but I am taking Thai lessons, so don't play on me, okay? If you have not already, please subscribe to my channel, All Eyes on Me. I am Nini, and I am so happy that you guys are on this journey with me as we leave Dallas, Texas, and head to Bangkok, Thailand. I have officially told the world that I am moving to finally be able to share it with my close friends, my family, my coworkers, and now the people that have subscribed to my YouTube channel, which thank you so much. I have received so much love. It is overwhelming, but in a very good way. So I am so appreciative. It feels good. Like, it feels good to be able to breathe, baby. I can breathe. And like, finally, like, tell people this amazing news. Baby, you guys have lit it up. My inbox is wild, and it actually makes me happy because people are asking super good questions. One of the main questions that I've received is, how did I choose Thailand, and did I look at any other countries? Absolutely. Because, yes, do your research, baby. Do your research. 3 countries in total: Vietnam, the Philippines, and Thailand. Those are the 3 countries in total that I looked at. After doing tons of research, Thailand was the winner. The infrastructure in Thailand is a lot more modern than it is in the Philippines and it is in Vietnam. I've seen so many reviews about how beautiful the Philippines was. And when I tell you cheap, baby, 4 for 4, Wendy's, okay? Cheap. I mean, the way that the USD converts is crazy, right? So the cost of living is amazing. However, a lot of expats, people that work remote, were complaining about their Wi-Fi never working, the power always going out, and simply like the country is just not as up to par, up to date as Thailand. So being that I'm going to be working remotely, that just wasn't an option. Although I would have loved to pay $19.99 for some rent. I was like, no, baby, I need my internet to work. Thailand has a lot more expats that look like me. And although I am not a stranger, like I've never met a stranger, so I am so excited to like be engulfed in the culture. I think that everyone has like a sense of like comfortability when you see people like Americans or, you know, brown girls, black girls, Caribbeans, Latinas. So that was another huge factor, right? Although I am taking Thai lessons already, Swadee ka, kapun ka. A lot of people do speak English, so I didn't want to be completely lost when it came to the language. I plan on being very intentional about my Thai lessons because I never want to go to another country and like not learn their native language. Like, what I do that at? They all have tons of pros and they have cons as well. One of the things that honestly stood out for me out of the 3, although I am leaving the States, so I'm okay with getting rid of that materialistic stuff or that fast-paced life. Like, those are things that Thai people don't necessarily value, right? They don't value Gucci belts. You know, like it doesn't matter to them. They live in such a peaceful environment that like materialistic things do not necessarily fulfill them. And I do appreciate that. So I'm ready to be engulfed in that culture. Another thing that came up was like the healthcare. And I've seen a lot of reviews about in Vietnam, it's a lot harder, and the Philippines, it's a lot harder to find quality healthcare depending on where you're located. Because I am a woman and I like to make sure that I do my research and kind of make sure that everything is in order, healthcare is very important for me. Like making sure that if something happens to me, God forbid, I have a hospital to go to. And I know that there are hospitals in these countries, but the care was not at the level that it was in Thailand, according to my 8 months of research. So that's something else that definitely push me more towards Thailand. Anything that you can think of, I did the research on. And like I said, this is not new for me. It's new for my followers. I'm just now telling my friends and my family, but I have done tons of research, right? Another reason that Thailand won over Vietnam and the Philippines is the visa process. This is a huge question that I have received. The visa process obviously can be very ghetto, right? Luckily, because I have done so much research, I have no troubles in that department. It's a lot smoother. Still troubled waters, but the process is a lot smoother in Thailand. You just have way more options, whether you're gonna be doing a DV visa, whether you're gonna be on an education visa, or you know, just simply there passing through. The visa process was a lot simpler in Thailand than it was in Vietnam and then it was in the Philippines. So, I mean, it won. Another thing is it's so easy to get to other countries when you're already in Asia. Also the tourism, there is a crazy amount of tourism in Thailand, which again led me to just choose Thailand. But I did tons of research. So one thing that I've told people is make sure you do your own research as well. The American dollar also converts a lot better in the Philippines than it does in Thailand. All three of them are significantly cheaper than living here, okay? Thailand still just won. You know, one thing that also like doesn't surprise me, but kind of makes me happy is like so many people have been thinking about leaving the United States and they just don't know how to leave, or they're afraid to leave, or they're fearful, or all these things. And I'm like, yo, you guys, when I posted my first video and I seen all the people that were messaging like, oh my God, Nini, I've been thinking about this. Oh my God, this has to be a sign. I'm like, child, not God using me. Okay, use me, Lord. Use me. No, I was like, oh my God, it's crazy. So thank you for the support. I still cannot wait to go visit Vietnam. I still can't wait to go visit the Philippines. After doing hours and hours of research, I definitely think that Thailand was just a better decision overall. So yeah, I'm excited. So subscribe, like, comment, and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you guys.